Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn about inequalities. Learning objective is introduction to inequalities and graphing them on number line. Before inequalities, you should know about expressions and equations first, and if you don't know what they are, then it will be difficult for you to understand inequalities because they're all connected to each other. Inequalities and equations are quite similar, but where in inequalities, instead of having just one single answer, we have some bunch of answers. And we have four different signs in inequality, which are shown on the screen right now. In the first one, we say, let's say A is less than 4. This is how we read them loud. In the second one, f is greater than 6. So f can be any number, any value greater than 6, like 7, 8, or 1 million. Or similarly, in the first example, a is a number which is less than 4. Any number might be less than 4. In third example, s is less than or equal to 5. As you can see, that sign is different than first two. We have less than sign and like half equality sign. That means s is a number which is less than or equal to 5. It can be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And k is greater than or equal to 7. Again, as you can see, there is a half equality sign. That means that k can be 7 or greater than that. Also, we might have a value which is between two numbers. And also we can have two different signs. Let's have a look at how we read this. So g is greater than 3. When you look at the left part, the inequality, g is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 6. Also, we can show inequalities on the number line, but to show them on the number line, again, you need to know what does each sign mean. For example, in this example, we are given a number line and inequality. X is greater than 2. X can be any number greater than 2, but it cannot be 2. So 2 is not included because we don't have greater than or equal to sign. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna draw a circle on top of 2 and I'm not gonna shade it. It means that X cannot be 2 if the circle is empty and any other numbers bigger than 2. So I'm thinking on the number line, which side includes bigger number? Of course, the right side. The numbers on the right side, like 3, 4, it goes to infinity. It shows that X is greater than 2, except 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes to infinity. Similarly, if we have X is less than 1, again, X cannot be 1. So I'm going to draw a circle on top of 1. Again, I'm not going to fill this circle. I'm not going to shade it. But different from the previous one, now I'm looking for values which are less than 1. Of course, I'm going to show the left side of the number line with an arrow that shows that all the X values. Here we have another example. X is less than or equal to negative 2. I'm going to draw a circle on top of negative 2, but different from previous examples. I'm going to shade that circle. That means X can be negative 2. So negative 2 is included. And other X values less than or equal to negative 2, like negative 3, negative 4. That's why I'm going to show the left side of the number line. with an arrow, as you can see. And the one before the last one, x is greater than or equal to -1. So -1 is included. That's why I'm gonna draw a circle, and I will shade that circle. I'm gonna fill it. That means that x can be -1 or other values bigger than -1. So I will show the right side of the number line with an arrow, as you can see. So to be able to show these inequalities on the number line, we need to know what each sign means. And then if we have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to sign, I am going to shade the circle. If we have just less than or greater than signs, then I will just draw a circle and leave it empty. Also, x can be, or any unknown value might be, two numbers. And let's have a look at carefully how we can show this on the number line. On the left side, I can say x is greater than -2. So on top of -2, I'm going to draw a circle without shading it because -2 is not included. Where on the right side, x is less than or equal to 4. So 4 is included. That's why I'm going to draw a circle on top of 4, and I'm going to shade that circle as 4 is included. Then x might be any value between these two. So I'm just going to join these circles to show the inequality on the number line.